Tuscaloosa, Alabama is a city that's been making headlines in recent years. The city is known for its lively atmosphere, rich history, and strong economy. But what makes Tuscaloosa stand out is a great place for real estate investors. In this video, we'll take a closer look at the reasons why Tuscaloosa is a fantastic place for real estate investment. The first reason why Tuscaloosa is a great place for real estate investors is its growing economy. Tuscaloosa is home to the University of Alabama, which has a student population of over 38,000. The university is the city's largest employer, and it contributes greatly to the local economy. Additionally, Tuscaloosa is home to several major corporations, including Mercedes-Benz, Michelin, and B.F. Goodrich. These companies provide job opportunities and contribute to the city's overall economic growth. The second reason why Tuscaloosa is a great place for real estate investors is its affordable housing market. Compared to other cities in the region, Tuscaloosa's real estate market offers great value for investors. The city has a wide range of housing options, from historic homes to new developments, making it easy to find a property that suits your investment goals. The third reason why Tuscaloosa is a great place for real estate investors is its quality of life. The city is located on the banks of the Black Warrior River, and it offers a wide range of recreational activities, including hiking, fishing, and boating. Tuscaloosa also has a vibrant downtown area with a variety of restaurants, bars, and shops. This makes it an attractive location for young professionals and families who are looking for a high quality of life. The fourth reason why Tuscaloosa is a great place for real estate investors is its strong rental market. The University of Alabama attracts a large number of students, and many of them are looking for rental properties near campus. Additionally, the city's growing economy has led to an influx of young professionals who are also looking for rental properties. This makes Tuscaloosa an ideal location for real estate investors who are interested in rental properties. In conclusion, Tuscaloosa is a fantastic place for real estate investors due to its growing economy, affordable housing market, quality of life, and the strong rental market. Whether you're interested in flipping properties or renting them out, Tuscaloosa offers plenty of opportunities for investors. So if you're looking for your next real estate investment, consider Tuscaloosa, Alabama.
Get